You always dreamed of the perfect picture for your social network?
We are going to show you how we make the right baked glaze for our social network photos.
So let's get baking!
So to make our right bake glaze, we use glucose, gelatine, fondant, cream and dark chocolate. So we do with our glucose and our cream, we add it together and we bring it to a boil. And in a second bowl we put our chocolate, which we cut into small chunks, with our fondant, which we've just slightly melt. Now you can see mixture is starting to come to the boil. We add pectin. And now we add this to our chocolate and fondant. And it's the same, we mix this in. So it's all nicely mixed together. So the chocolate will melt and the fondant will melt as well. Now you can see the chocolate and the fondant almost melted completely. Give it a good whisker to make it light. Now you can see our fondant is ready. You get a nice shiny glossy look. Now we need to leave this to rest for the minimum of 2 hours in the fridge, and to stop it forming a skin you take a cling film and we cover the top of the chocolate. So we stop all the air from touching the chocolate, like this, and then we stick it in the fridge for 2 hours. Well, now our glaze has been resting in the fridge nicely for the last 2 hours, or you can make it the day before as well, or 2 days before. Just take the cling film off. Now I need to reheat it up in a bain-marie, or in a saucepan of hot water, so it gets to 32 degrees. Now 32, it's 33 but. What we then do is give it a good mix. So I add a little bit of air to make it a bit more shiny. Now it's ready for use.
Now you've seen how easy it is to make the right baked glaze. Watch our video on how to decorate small cakes. Look, you could make nice little cakes like these ones.